Hello guys, welcome to my channel Vivek Pandey. So, first I will make this, uh, yeah, large. So once again, I welcome you all to my channel, and yes, myself Vivek Pandey, and this is our quiz 5. Yeah, so if you are here, I mean, hopefully you have solved other problems. Quiz 1, quiz 2, quiz 3, quiz 4, and finally you are here. So I welcome once again and to this channel, and the playlist is Quizland. And today's topic is list, guys. So I will be allotting only 1 minute of a time. The timer here now I'm not giving the timer directly. I will be seeing in my mobile phone. Okay, so let's start. Yes, as usual, this also you have to solve completely list. About list it is. So now here, let's start this quiz, guys. But before that, I have made a few things for you. So see here. So like I have quoted here 10 benefits of the quiz. What are the 10 benefits you need to understand before? Like many people, like many students, they do feel like why to solve. Whenever there is a need, there is a necessity. Whenever there is a company drive, then we can do this, right? But that is what the mistake we are doing. If not now, then never it is. Now it is now the chances. Yes, if you wanted to build your career, then take the action right away. Solve the problems. That is what you can do. Once you get out of the college, then nothing. Yeah, lot of other responsibilities. You are in the college, then definitely you need to think about it. Yes. So if you have a fire of learning, I have a fire of teaching. Yes. So let's see one by one. First one, what is it? So to 10 benefits of this quiz. Yeah, this is for whom? Those who feel like what is the benefit of this kind of quizzes. So for them it is to make mistakes. If you participate in this quiz, you will obviously make mistake and you will learn from it. Yes, if it is in the class, you will learn from your friends or from myself. You can ask me a number of time, I will explain you, and to get insights of a topic and syntaxes. So if you are good with the syntaxes, then only you will try to attempt. At least if you don't know anything, you will hesitate. Okay, so it will build your confidence level. To get an exposure of a different type of questions. Okay, so different type of questions. Yes, to get fourth one is to get an idea of solving multiple logics in same questions. Yeah, because nowadays what I have observed, what I have noticed is many many like 1 second. Yes, yeah, current one. Okay, fine. Many, whatever I have noticed is in many colleges, people are good with syntaxes, but they don't know how to solve because they have not practiced. So you have to practice, you have to get a like idea on solving the multiple logics. Got it? On same question, and to get a hands on for company specific questions. It means indirectly you are becoming a industrial ready. Okay, this is also one of the advantage to develop the competitive spirit. Yes, I can do. And the competition is not with your friends, my dear students. This competition is not with your friends or with your neighbors. No, this competition is with you. Today how many questions you solved? Okay, this many. Yesterday how many questions you solved? One. Today you solved at least two questions. So tomorrow it will be more better than this. Yes. So how much? Yes, that is more questions you have to solve. Okay, and seventh one is most important, is the feeling of satisfaction of solving the problem by yourself. Yes guys, this is awesome feeling. If you have a concept, you try, keep on trying without asking anyone, just try to solve. Yeah, so you have to become a desperate of solving the problems. Then definitely you will get, if you get the output result same output, then that satisfaction level is different, guys. Yeah. And then to motivate to solve the problems for your dream jobs. You may have, everyone is having a dream jobs. Yes, I know. Maybe it is 5 LPA or 10 LPA or 24 LPA, 30 LPA, 50 LPA. Yes or no? You all have your dream jobs, but directly you will not get it. There are steps, step by step you have to go. Lot of struggles will be there. Put your soul into it. Yes, why I'm saying all this, because I have seen many mindsets. Yes, out of experience I'm talking all this to you all. And then ninth one is to cultivate the thought process of becoming what, problem solver. This is will help us, not only this, even in the life also you will be problem solver, guys. Because if any problem comes, you will not hesitate, because you have solved many problems. Let it come, we have time, we will solve in this time. Yes, how much effort I need to keep, what is the priority of the solving, everything you will like, you will, your thought process keeps on moving, thinking. So you will have a thought process. And the 10th one is the awesome feeling is to help others if they get stuck in this. How we build a, this is how we build what, team spirit. So guys, these are the 10 benefits of the quiz. Just don't think that it is simple quiz whatever I'm making, because even I am also putting some efforts for you guys. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's start. So first question on the screen, I'm giving you 1 minute of a time, guys. So let's start. See here, here we are talking all about the list here in this best friends: Meghna, Ramya, Chaitanya, Suhani, Priya, Rajan, Sajan. Okay. And then what you have to find is print. Finally, you have to print this D and then E. D and E. So what is this D? Again, in this D, again we have so many indexes here. So it is just like accessing the multiple indexes. Yeah. So I guess you can try this. You can do this. Okay. So this is the first question. Now let's go with the second question without wasting our time. Second question on the screen. In this question, yes, this is a list is given, and in this list I have used many operations in this. And the slicing operator is there. Here we have plus operator and then power operator. As again I'm converting into str, means typecasting is also happening. I'm also converting it into bin off, and then again slicing. So it means what, it is a combination of many operations. Yes, many techniques we can say. So it is, by saying it is one question, but it has many other subtopics. Okay, so this is, try to think once how we can solve it. Okay, so I have given you enough time. Now let's go with the next question. Third question, guys. So the third question, this is the third question. Now here I have given one list here, and then I'm iterating it. It is having what, a nested loop. We have while and then again for, in that again break. So again I'm printing the nums of j, and again break, and again if condition. So like it is also a mixture of many techniques, many topics together. So we have list here, while, for, range, len, many things. So in order to solve these type of questions, you should be aware of it, how it is working, how the while is working, what is a len, what is a for, if, break. If you don't know all this, I have made a playlist of Python. Okay, so Python playlist, it is for a beginner, absolute beginner, in a very understanding language. You can just go there and you can watch them. Okay, so let's go with the fourth question. Fourth question is this. In this, also the same thing. In this, a list is there again, while, in this while again if we have, then continue, in this continue and break, both I'm using. And then this is a logic. This logic, if you can able to find, see, you have to be in such a way that keep on practicing these questions, so that within 1 minute or within 2 minute accuracy, and the less time how much you are taking, that matters a lot on improvement. First you try to solve whatever the time you take, you take it. If you are taking 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, it is fine. But once you understood things, then after that you will start decreasing the time for sure, because you get habituated to solve these kind of questions, right? Yes. So once you take a 5 minutes, then next time if you get these kind of questions, you will do it in 3 minutes. If you again keep on practicing, you can do it in 1 minute. So it is all about the, it is all, the game is about practice. The more you practice, the more you get. Yeah, that is the reason it's like they say, the saying is practice makes a man perfect. Now here, we have another question. The another question on the screen, it is this. Now here also we have some logic here, the fifth one. Yeah, and in this we have to print what the total. Earlier the total is 0, and here we are doing some combination of the loops and then condition. Yes, and then again here condition, then again break. So finally you have to find out what is the answer for this. Okay, and I hope you all know about this. That is the reason you came here on this video. So this flow division, this is indexing operator, all this. So you are familiar with this, just you need to apply your brain to work on it. So that's it guys, fifth one is done. Let's go with the next one. Sixth question. In this sixth question, like we have two prints. Yeah, so one is like a nums. In this num we are going to get, and another one is this line. Okay, so it is a combination of two, so you will be getting a little bigger output, so don't get afraid of it. Yes, even if you are getting something like that, yes, obviously it can be correct. So this is the sixth question, and this is also absolutely of working with the loops. Yeah, loops, break, conditional statements, all this. So if you feel you can do it, you can, or else you can pause the video and try it. Definitely it will be helpful. So that's it. I know you will pause. Fine. Let's go with the next one. Seventh one. So seventh one, wantedly I made it bit little bigger, little twisted. I don't think it is much twisted. Yeah. In this, what are the things I have used is the functions I have used, inbuilt functions. See here, we have list. Actually, list functions we do have, right? Methods we can say. Append we have, extend we have, insert, del, remove. My idea was like keeping everything into total in one code. Yeah, so that if you can solve it, it means you understood how it works, what remove does, and how the del works, how the sort works, sorting, insert, sum, all this. So it is like a combining of multiple things. So this is done. You can just pause the video and you can go through it. It will be helpful for you. Now let's go with the next one. And here it is the eighth one. Yes, and I hope the question is clearly visible to all of you. Yeah, now here I'm taking a list, and then it is of 18 lines guys. And then here while I, okay, this condition, and then here is while. In the while we are giving a condition, and then if condition here we have, and then we are using what addition operator, and then we are updating the I value, and then here sorted, we are doing sorting also. And again we are making this as false, one variable. Yes, and then here again sorting greater than, has greater than. So finally what we wanted is max of this plus length of list sorted, and then min of list sorted. So finally we are adding everything, so mostly you will be getting one answer for this. Let's see if you can do this. Let's try, check by yourself. See, I cannot come there and monitor you, right? It is you who have to monitor, it is you who have to be truthful by yourself. Yes, you can cheat others, but you can't cheat yourself. You know how much you are capable of. If you don't know, then go with the previous question. If you don't know that also, start from a basic. But don't try to act that you know you did, you are aware of it. No, if you not, then be crystal clear. I don't know, I have to start working. If not now, then when? After the graduation? Okay, so let's go with the ninth one. Here is the ninth question, and in this ninth question also I have used yes, in this I have used list comprehension. Yeah, one thing I added in this. So I guess I have, if I am giving this quiz in the class, I have talked about list comprehension and all those methods, inbuilt methods, functions. Then only I'm asking you to do this. Yeah, so this for this you should know what is list comprehension, and all the inbuilt functions, inbuilt methods of the list, and how to iterate the list, all this. Okay, so this is about ninth question. Let's go with the next one. This is 10th question guys. So in this, I'm using one more extra concept. Earlier it was list comprehension, but this time it is nested list. So with a nested list, I have used this, and then finally you have to print what, this index number and then length of it. So here mostly you will be getting what, two values you will be getting. So two values of the quiz for 10th one. So that guys, that's it. We are done with the 10 questions. And if you are able to solve this 10 questions, yes, you can proudly say that yes sir, I know the list. Because whenever I go to another colleges now, they, whenever I ask them, do you know list, they will say yes, we know list. When I throw one question, they are unable to solve the question. They don't know even how the list will iterate, what are the functions, what are the methods. So what is the meaning of learning syntaxes? Nowadays nobody is asking for syntaxes, guys. Yeah, everyone is looking for a problem solver. If you are a good problem solver, you are having a good career in future. Now that's it, guys. Now let's see here answers. So this is 2 4. Yeah, so this is 2 4. Actually it is, well, if it is not seen, I will show in this way. It is 2 4, see here. And then first one is CR, second one is 2 5, third one is 1 1 3 1 3, fourth one is 10 10 20 20 40 40 50, fifth one 4, sixth one 4 fours, seventh one is this, and then eighth one 1 2 3, ninth one 20, and then 10th one is 2 4. Fine, that's it. So this is about solution. And then see here, students, this effort is for you, and if you find it really helpful, yeah, definitely, guys. Because whenever I'm working something for you, yes, I'm putting some efforts, I have every right to ask for a small support, that is called subscribe and like. Yeah, if you feel really you liked it, if you got some value from this content, definitely you can help me with a subscription. Yeah, what's wrong in it? So this video may be just a, yeah. So yeah, like means it motivates, like it it feels good. Okay, they are liking my content, so I need to make more videos. Yeah, so it may be just for just one like for you, but it's, yeah, but for me it is your support and love, correct? Now here, if you enjoy my content, I invite, see how formal I'm using, I invite you to hit the subscribe button and become a part of the family. Yes, and then thank you for watching. Thank you, guys, it was really good to teach you all and to prepare this quiz. So we will be meeting in the next quiz. Till then, thank you, take care.